Hi everyone, let's review. Number 1. Find the value of x. 3x plus 7 is equal to 28. 3x plus 7 is equal to 28. So this is an example of an equation with one variable. So we're going to eliminate 7 here. So we subtract 7 both sides. So 7 minus 7 is 0 and the remaining term in the left side is 3x. In the right side, we have 28 minus 7, that is 21. So let's divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to 7. So the answer is 7. So letter A. Number 2. Which of the following is divisible by 8? So the rule in divisibility rule for 8, the last three digit is divisible by 8. So if we're going to divide 208 here in letter A, 208 divided by 8, so that is 2. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8, 16. Subtract. 20 minus 16 is 4. Bring down 8. 48 divided by 8, that is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract. And this is 0. So since the remainder is 0, therefore 9,208 is divisible by 8. So the answer here is letter A. Number 3. What is 25% of 228? 25% of 228. So it means 25% times 228. So we need to transform 25% into decimal 1, 2. So that is equivalent to 0.25 times 228. So let's multiply. 228 times 0.25. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 2, 10. Times plus 4 is 14. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 2 times 2, 4. So this is 0. So let's add 4 plus 6. Then this is 7. 57. So two decimal places. So 1, 2. So the answer is 57. So there is another way to solve this problem. So 25% is also considered as 1/4. Okay, so the fraction form of 25% is 1/4 times 228. So this is now 1/4 times 228 is the same as 228 over 4. Or let's divide 228 divided by 4. So this is 5. 5 times 4, 20. 28, 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract. So there's a 0. So that is also 57. So the answer in number 3 is 57, letter A. Number 4, evaluate 3A plus 2B over 2 when A is negative 3 and B is negative 4. So the given expression is 3A plus 2B. A is negative 3. So this will become 3 times negative 3 plus, oh sorry, over 2. So we have 3a. So since a is equivalent to negative 3, so that will become negative 3 here plus 2 times b is negative 4 over 2. Simplify. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8 divided by 2. Negative 7 plus negative 8 is negative 17 over 2. So this is the answer. Negative 17 over 2, letter B. Number 5. Simplify 3 plus 5 times 6 minus 4 times 2. So in this case, we're going to apply the PEMDAS rule. So we have 3 plus 5 times 6 minus 4 times 2. For this is multiplication. So MDAS, so that will become 3 plus 30 minus 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay. So 3 plus 30, that is equivalent to 33 minus 8. 33 minus 8 is 25. So the answer is letter C.